Hi, so it's Boxing Day, the day after Christmas, and there's only so much turkey, goodwill and Queen's speeches that I can listen to, so I've come down to the shop. Now, it's of course everything's closed, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make stuff up to things I could steal from my wife without her noticing. And I managed to get out the door a rolling pin, some salad dressing, and a breadboard. So I've got everything here I need, I think, in order to make something. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a wooden toy out of some kitchen bits that I managed to steal over the Christmas period. So first things first, let's chop this up. Okay, so I've cut up the rolling pin and I've got these. I mean, I think they make awesome wheels with only one slight problemette. They've got this big massive hole in the centre. Now I did think about trying to use the handles as axles, but they're not square, so I'm not going to turn them down to be neat. So what I'm going to do is cut some plugs out of my breadboard. So let's cut some plugs, fill those holes. Okay, they turned out really quite nicely. And now I have to admit, the minute I saw this spoon, I thought catapult. Who wouldn't, when you see a spoon? So I'm going to build a catapult. Obviously, I've got the remains of my breadboard, and I need to cut the frame from that. So we need to cut that. We need to cut the end off of here, fit it onto there, and we've got most of our catapult done. And of course, fit the wheels. So let's cut some wood. Okay, so I had a quick look at a Roman catapult online, and now I've got my actual catapult arm done, I can kind of arrange them out and see what it is that I need to cut, because I'm basically making this up as I go along, which is why I've no sizes given. But I've cut a couple of cross beams, and obviously the uprights, a couple of those have been cut to go there, because the arm has to knock against something. And then we've got 4 spreaders to hold that frame together, so the spreaders, which are all the same size, 7 centimetres as it happens, are going to hold the frame apart like that, and obviously the wheels go on. So let's put the frame together. Okay, so that's the frame knocked up. Now we can put some wheels on it. And to do that, we're going to use bolts as axles, actually. Okay, that's the frame made with its wheels on. And we've made the catapult arm already out of the spoon, so we need to fit that in there and then give it a bit of elastic, and that's our catapult done. There you go, bit of elastic and it's finished. Now it's made out of a salad spoon, a breadboard and a rolling pin, so certainly things you could find around the house. And it'll keep you amused for a couple of hours on a boring Boxing Day. You can take it back and amuse your family by firing chocolates at them. Awesome. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.